When it comes to investing, confidence isn't built on promises, it's built on clarity. And in private debt, clarity means one thing: transparency. At Hybrid Debt Fund, we believe that when investors can see clearly how their money is working, they gain peace of mind, stronger conviction, and the confidence to stay investing through cycles. Transparency isn't just a nice to have, it's a core part of protecting capital. That's why investors in the hybrid debt fund receive quarterly reporting that goes beyond surface numbers. We provide updates on project performance, cash flow status, and the loan positions, because when you have visibility in both income and risk, you're empowered to make better decisions. Think of it this way: if public markets can move based upon rumors, private markets should move based on facts and someone who paints reality as it is. Transparency turns uncertainty into measurable data, and that's where confidence comes from. But let's be honest, transparency alone doesn't matter unless structure itself protects you. And that's where downside protection comes in. Every investment in the hybrid debt fund is backed by a first deed of trust. The same security position life insurance companies have relied on for decades. If things don't go as planned, that first lien gives investors the legal right to foreclose and recover value, henceforth protection or preservation. On top of that, under certain conditions, we secure personal payback guarantees from the project sponsors, aligning their commitment with ours. And remember, the fund doesn't just rely on one property. It's a pooled structure diversifying risk across multiple commercial real estate projects as a portfolio grows. So, how does this play out for investors? First, you receive quarterly income distributions at 5.5%, backed by reserves set aside at the start of the project. That means stability you can count on. Second, you have two forms of upside: participation in project cash flows once they're stabilized, a share in capital gains when the property sells or refinances, targeting net IRR returns of 11 to 13%. And every step of the way, reporting keeps you informed. You know where projects stand, how distributions are funded, and what's on the horizon. No guesswork required, and a team ready to answer additional questions for you. In today's uncertain market, investors don't just want returns, they want confidence. Transparency builds that confidence. Downside protection preserves it, and hybrid debt fund delivers both of those. If you're looking for a way to combine clarity, security, and consistent returns, go ahead and visit hybriddebtfund.com and download our investor guide, because when you see clearly, you can invest confidently.